Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to freeze frame in your video in Filmora. It's actually very simple, just follow my steps. Play your video and see which frame you want to freeze. So let's say I want to freeze this frame right here. So in order to do that, I will need to put my playhead on top of it, then right click on my clip and go ahead and click on Add Freeze Frame or Command plus F. So add freeze frame, and now as you can see, all this gray area is your freeze frame and this blue area is the clip. So when I play it back, you can see the clip, now it freezes and it continues the clip right at this blue area. You can change the duration of your freeze frame just by going here and dragging it to the left. Also you can go here and drag this to the right to extend the clip and basically slow it down. So it's really simple, guys. Now when you play it back, you can see it says 0.71x, which is basically 2/3 of the speed the previous clip. So it's really simple. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.